Are you putting in tons of work in the gym and just not seeing results? If so, you might be making one of these common mistakes. So in this video, I'm gonna break down those mistakes and how to fix them so that you can start seeing the results that you're looking for. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, my name's Paul Hadfield and I make videos on health, fitness, and nutrition. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. Now in this video, I'm gonna talk about common mistakes that are made in the gym. And these are all mistakes that I have personally made myself. And I noticed as soon as I fixed them, not only did I start to see my progress increase, but I started to really look forward to my training sessions instead of dreading them. So come with me and we'll jump into mistake number one. Mistake number one is not having a plan. If you're going to the gym and you have no idea what you're training, you won't be prepared. And failure to prepare means preparing to fail. You should always know what you're gonna lift, what you're planning on working, so you can get the most out of the session and be ready mentally. Now, I have the same split and do the same workouts over and over again with no deviation, and I'll send it to you for free. Just comment split down below. Mistake number two is doing too much warm-up. Now, warm-up's important, but if you're doing too much, you're gonna be wasting valuable energy that you could be saving for those heavy working sets. And those sets, that's really where you're gonna make the most progress in the gym. So I recommend doing some active stretching and maybe 1 to 2 sets of that first lift just to get your body warmed up, and that's gonna be more than enough. Mistake number 3 is poor form. Now, if you have poor form, not only are you not going to be stimulating as many muscle fibers as you possibly could, but you can also be risking injury. Now, I actually made a series of videos on tips on how to do some of my favorite compound exercises, and you can check them out in my channel. Mistake number 4 is not lifting heavy enough. Now, heavy weights and pushing yourself to failure is the best way to stimulate new muscle growth. So you should always be looking to add weight or increase your repetitions every single week that you perform each lift. Mistake number 5 is not tracking your workouts. You should be tracking the exercises you're doing, the lifts you're performing, how many repetitions and how much weight, so that you can focus on progressively overloading the muscles and pushing yourself further week after week, which is gonna produce the results that you're looking for. Now, I bring a little notebook with me and I track everything. Not only those things, but also the form and any other notes of things that'll help me that next week when I go to perform that lift again. Mistake number 6 is neglecting recovery. Now, I think that the most underrated aspects of a fitness program are the recovery in between workout days and the recovery time in between each set. Now for me, I spend 5 minutes recovering after each set because after I lift heavy, I wanna make sure my body is fully recovered so that I can put the most into the following set. I also rest every day in between each workout. Now, that's what works for me. You have to figure out what works for you, but those recovery days and eating proper nutrition and focusing on sleep, that's what repairs the muscle that was torn during your workout sessions. So recovery is a huge piece of making sure that you stick to a long-term plan to get the results you need. And mistake number 7 is searching for motivation. Now, if you have a big why on why you're going to the gym, why are you pushing yourself through these workouts, you don't need the motivation. That's all you need to keep yourself going. Focus on having the discipline to continue to show up and push yourself as far as you can. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know which of these mistakes you've made, which one resonated with you the most, and if there's any that you've made yourself and you've learned from, leave them in the comments down below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.